Si ate ka nasa lamesa siya sa ilalim lang. Mami niya yan eh. Miss niya mami niya. Shh.
Si Ate Kay ba nagpupunta rin dito?
Minsan po doon dalat na.
Hi! Pasok kayo kasi may aircon dito. I love you.
Ay, sarap ng tulog.
Ganyan yan.
Apo mo?
Opo.
Pang ilan?
Ay, isa lang.
Isa lang apo mo.
Opo, ito. Ito ang anak ko, si Anna Kay.
Hi!
Ito yung niece ko, napakabait na
Sino
niece.
naman to?
My niece, Anna Lea.
Anis.
Ito.
Sino mga yan?
Itong mami ko. Itong daddy ko, yung bata pa siya.
Oh, ito daddy mo.
Opo. Ito yung isang kapatid ko si Michelle, nasa States na po. Ito kapatid ko si Billy, yung kasama natin kanina. Yun nakilala mo na yun kasi niyan.
Ikaw, syempre. Pero ito yung younger version.
Oo.
What's this? What's this?
Ay, mga ano lang, right up ko na.
Ayun oh. Ilan taong ka rito?
Siguro early 20s, bubuk pa ako.
20s. Wala kayong picture ni Ate Kay rito?
Saan picture namin po?
Saan? Ayun.
Hotel sa binigyan siya ng award sa Quezon City. Tapos ayun, kami ng daddy ko.
So nagkasama kayo ng dad mo
Oo.
until he passed away?
Yes. Nasa Spain pa yan nung kinunan namin yan. Nasa
Kasama kayo?
ROTC ako noon eh.
Oo.
Sa Air Force yan, daddy ko.
Nag-aral ka sa Spain?
Opo, Torrejon.
Na-assign siya road, bali?
Oo.
Ito naman, itong... Dalawang yan.
Yun naman yung nakahat, yung parang gago mukha.
Ay, ikaw yun! Kamukha mo, daddy mo dyan, ha?
Yung kapatid ko si Billy.
Oo.
At sa yung kaibigan namin.
At sino naman itong gwapong to?
Wow, hindi ko kilala yan.
Heartthrob ang dating, ha?
Siguro 18 na 19. 18.
Ikaw rin to, eh, oh.
Opo.
Kailang kinunan yan?
Ma'am, kailan po kinunan niyo to? Yung ano?
That was 92.
92 po.
92.
Opo.
Ayun. So ngayon, itong bagong chapter ng buhay mo,
Yes, sir.
taga-alaga ng apo.
Opo.
Ayan.
Nandiyan pa yung mga gamit ko, nakatambak pa. Yung mga gamit ko nasa taas. Gusto niyo makita?
Sige, tinatin.
Ma'am, okay lang, papunta kami sa taas, ha?
Sure,
Opo.
magulo doon.
Sige,
Okay.
nakita kayo.
Sige, sige.
Dito na lang.
Ang baby ko.
Walang makadamag. Pinanggalan ko ng gamit.
Ito, yung picture namin ng binyag ng anak ko. Si Lotlot, nasa likod.
Oh, si Lotlot.
Ito yung dating asawa ko, ito yung baby ko. Si Ate Fay, si Roselino. Hati si Ate Lods nasa dulo.
Oo nga eh.
Opo.
So nung meron kang, asawa mo ba to?
Ha?
Were you married, itong girl?
No, we're not married.
Okay lang kay ate kayo yun.
Ayun, hindi ko siya taga-pakasalan.
Okay.
Si ito, pasensya na po, madilim dito.
Okay lang. Yan.
Okay. Pasensya na po. Dito, nakatambak yung gamit ko. Puro books naman, tsaka damit ko.
Ito. Ito yung mga galing sa Saviorville.
Opo.
Yan, nilipat
Puro
na
damit,
dito lahat ng mga
puro
gamit
damit
niya.
ko. Ito, dala akong painting. Ito ang dala akong painting, yung ginawa kong painting.
Oh, nice. Angels.
Opo.
Why is it important, itong painting na to?
Ginawa ko to para kay Tigay.
Kailan mo binigay yan sa kanya?
Matagal na to, sir. Siguro early 2012, nung nagpe-painting pa ako.
So now, she's an angel.
Opo.
Siya na ngayon ang angel.
Dala ko mga comic books ko. Mali ko sa mga comic books. Puro libro lahat ang dala ko eh.
Oo. Yeah. Kaninong kwarto to?
This is supposed to be my room pero inayos namin pa yung aircon. So sa baba ako natutulog sa tabi na apo ko.
But eventually, you'll be, stay here sa room na to.
Yeah, we'll fix it up. We'll probably move to a nicer location.
Oo.
Bigger
Yung mga
house.
suits mo.
Opo. Careful your step, oh.
Yeah. Painter ka pala talaga.
Oo.
Oh. Superman.
This is a little memorabilia, Superman.
Oo.
A little collage. Picture ko.
Self-portrait.
Yep. So, nung baby ako.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Ano nangyari? Strong in your mind and you're kind to lend a hand, a helping hand. Remember when you're...
How are you?
Stay positive. Dealing with a loss of someone you love is never easy, but after the grief, there comes a kind of liberating feeling once you find something to hold on to, like the Lord. This has brought me closer to God. This has given me kind of a purpose to get my life in order and to get closer to God. I pray every day. I'm thankful for all the blessings that have come my way in the past. And now I think it's time for me to reorganize my priorities because that's part of God's plan. So His will be done. And this has been a test for me to kind of simple standard operation, which is a angioplasty. Kasi di ba sa puso may tatlong arteries, dalawa na para sa kanya, kaya natatakot siya na biglang atake, di ba? So, it's a standard procedure. They're just going to clear the arteries with the angiogram. But there were complications. So one of the arteries was perforated, bukas. Kasi manipis na yung mga arteries niya eh. Manipis is a small person. So nahihirapan na sila maghanap ng veins. Ilagay yung suki na kami dun sa medical city. Pag meron siyang naramdaman na hindi maganda, takbo kami agad. So, and it's supposed to be, we didn't think it was life-threatening. But, she died on a good Wednesday. Her arteries are very small. Manipis na, so karoon ng butas konti. And so nagkaroon ng fluids on the heart. So they gave her medications to reduce the fluid. They were thinking that maybe the body will absorb the fluids. But along with other complications, she had COPD. And I think that the diet that they used, the diet to track raised her creatinine up. And so it just all went downhill from there. So I remember holding her hand, thinking, it's going to be okay, it's going to be okay. And she was crying, I was singing for her. I was singing, you are my boy, boy, my only boy, boy. You make me happy all night and day. You'll never know just how much I you. Please don't take my boy, boy away. I was holding her hand and she was crying. So she knew that was not good. And then Imelda Poppin came, and they brought the kids with them. And they were able to be with her at that time. They started having a mass at the chapel. It was beautiful. It was like a chorus of angels. They were singing praise to the Lord. And she was done.
Ito yung magazine, yung magazine.
Oh.
Marami pa.
Slap ba yan?
Ang ganda ni Ate Gay dyan, no? Slap magazine, batang-bata pa, di ba? And this one is the best. Ito, tawag ng tanghali, ito yung part ng exhibit namin at Gagawad Plaridel. Dito nag-start si Ate Gay sa tawag ng tanghali, which she valued most, yung trophy na dyan. So, nandun naman sa collection yung trophy. 1967, yes.
Hindi pa ako pinapangalak nito.
Yeah. Ano na ako dyan? 4 years old na ako.
Siyang grand champion yan.
Yeah, grand champion for 14 times.
14 times grand
14
champion.
times.
Tawag ng
Yeah,
tanghali.
tawag ng tanghali. Yung trophy niya, doon sa museum niya, doon sa, doon sa trophy room niya, yun ang nasa prime spot. Kasi very important sa kanya itong tawag ng tanghali.
Ano sinabi niya sa'yo? Bago siya namatay?
Marami siyang sinabi, may regrets. Yung una nga, yung support sa kanya for funding. Kasi ito nilapit niya to sa FDCP, tsaka NCC or CCP yata eh. Sabi niya, national artist na ako, hindi pa rin ako binibigyan ng funding. And this is a good film. Ito yung pinoproject namin, na alam mo na si Luwalhati, award-winning yan. And this is the bestseller book of Luwalhati. Ang pinoproject namin dito, pang-Oscars ni Ate Gay to. Pang-Oscars na to. At saka hindi naman siya mahihirapan sa shooting kasi poet siya dito. So nasa bahay lang. Pati yung mga hula, excited siya doon kasi first role niya yun. Tapos hindi rin mahihirapan kasi ang mga hula naman ng Quiapo, nakaupo lang, di ba? Tapos lalakad-lakad ng konti. So physically, kaya niya. Kaya. Tapos, kaya nga siya nagpapagaling, kaya siya nagpa-confine. Di bali, Sister Mary, magagawa ko lahat yan. Kaya nga ako nagpa-confine, nagpa-operation. Para pagbalik ko, malakas na ako.
Talagang gusto ko.
Oo, gusto niya. Gusto niya talaga. Gusto niya talaga. Actually, during nung night nung April 16, lahat kami stage of denial. Sabihin niyo fake news. Kasi dati nung buhay siya, yung sinisentimiento niya, may mga basher siya, na nagbablog, napatay na siya, may kabaong na, gano'n. So, depressed siya doon. Ano na isipin niya? Oo, depressed siya doon. Tsaka alam naman namin yung angioplasty operation eh. Tsaka sinabi sa akin ate yung schedule niya. Sinabi niya, alam namin. Pero si ate very confident, sabi niya, ano lang yun, 3 to 4 hours lang yung operation. Eh, after 3 days, ready na ako. Schedule mo na yung manghuhula.
Mag-shoot na siya. Doon yung mga angels na, si Miss Jen, si Ate Dita, and naiwan lang sa bahay si Salpa at si Ed. So, she wanted me ka, hindi ka muna, pahinga ka muna, huwag kang mag-alala sa akin dito, okay lang ako. Takbo ako sa ospital. Doon na. Pagdating doon, they were prepping her for surgery, nakausap ko ba? Okay. So, just waiting in the hospital for the surgery to be completed. And yun na, sabi nila, nagkaroon ng konting complications. And kung kawagan na yung next step niya, tinawagan ko si Kenneth, sabi ko, Ken, kumain mo na sa ICU. Kasi hindi ko naman nakakausap yung mga ibang anak. Nakausap din si Imelda Papin, I think she was able to contact them all. The Papin, she was very, very instrumental in organizing the people. So yes, it was very sudden for me, for us.